Hey, and welcome back to Willis Talk. We have this here thing. Lightning cable. Pop, pow, cha-chow. And supposedly it's supposed to charge quicker. Overcharge protection. And it supports all these devices 15 foot. I got this at Ross a few months ago, and I forgot all about it. Didn't need it. I got so many that day that it was. Ooh, look at that. That is some good cord there. Ooh. Yes, I'm in love with the cord. I'm in love. Yeah, look at this. Look at that. That is some real good high density, durability. And then look at this. This is... Now, mind you, I am a cheapskate. I will not pay too much for anything. I just don't have the money. Much like all of you that probably are watching my penny pincher all over the place. Look at that. That's well built. That's more than I'll probably be doing with it. This is probably most that will happen. So there is going to be some throwing, but it's quite a way. Well, the test is to do it, work with it for about a month, see how it performs, see if I like it, and then let you know about what it is. It's just these guys right here. Trending Logic. Fast charging, 15 foot. Lightning cable. 2.0 amp. I don't know if that's good or bad though, but obviously they must think it's so good they print it on the box more than once. Well, until next time, stay tuned. This will be part 1 of 2.